Hi everyone, Ruger here. Mom just told me I hit 1,000 followers. I'm having so much fun. She even made me my own charcuterie board. Yes, that's right, a charcuterie board. I smell Dad's homemade deer sticks. Those are my favorite. Eggs, those are my second favorite. Mom, you made 'em just the way I like. Mom, you could have left out the health bars. I'm a daddy's boy. You can keep these fruits and
You're daddy's boy.
vegetables.
You know why? Because you left all the fruits and vegetables. Yep, you're daddy's boy.
Thanks again, everyone. Does anybody want these fruits and vegetables?